Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Hi, welcome.
And we have got some channel updates for you, so let's get into it.
Definitely.
So we thought we'd take advantage of this fantastic day. It's the first day we haven't had any rain.
Snow.
Well,
Fog.
there was a bit of snow this morning.
More fog.
There's a bit of snow this morning. So we're currently walking along Bridlington seafront, heading north side towards the Ship pub, where we shall go and have a nice cup of coffee, won't we?
We will.
So guys, we've got a few plans coming up for early 2026 on the channel. Caroline's been busy over Christmas and bulk of the winter looking at locations, haven't you?
Oh, totally.
And so first up, what have we got coming up?
Right, well, first up we have Birmingham NEC. We're off to the motorhome caravan and camping show.
And they've also got boats.
And they have boats, yeah, so you'll be in your prime on that one. Not that I'm buying a boat, but you know, you can look.
So we've got...
We're also happen to be trying out our very first glamping. So I've booked Avant Glamp, which is near the NEC, because last time in the October show, we decided that actually you do need a full day going around everywhere, all the stalls, so you don't miss anything. And we missed quite a bit with only coming down for the day. So this is why we've decided we're going to stop overnight. But I thought, well, let's not just book a boring hotel. Let's do something different.
Yes.
So you'll catch us then doing that.
Yeah, so we're going to get a couple of videos out of it. We're going to do a video on the glamping pod, and that will be...
the site itself,
including
the fact that you can't park on the site. So it'll be interesting to see just exactly what the distance is for walking over from the car park.
So that'll be one video, it's the glamping pod.
Yeah.
We'll also do, we'll break the videos down into sections: caravans, motorhomes, vans,
boats,
and boats. So I do want to do a little feature on boats. Not usually our sort of thing on this channel, but it's something different, and I do like a boat.
You do. You admire the boats.
I do. So we'll have a look at those. And we're also hoping, while we're at the show, possibly around the 2 o'clock mark, because this will be coming out on the Sunday before, is to do a live stream while we're going round. That's if we can get a signal, of course. So I'm going to take our little router booster.
Yeah.
We've got
boost our signal.
Boost our signal. So I'm hoping to do a live session while we're at the show. So again, please, if you're not going to the show, come along and have a watch. And it will be on Tuesday, the 17th of February, approximately about 2 o'clock. We shall do it, but I'll put a post up if we're definitely going to go ahead.
Yeah, with that one
on the morning before.
So check out Facebook and make sure you look out for that, whether or not we can do that or not. So that'll be good. And
also, if there's anything you'd like us to cover while we're at the show, anything in particular you'd like us to have a look at, put a comment below, because we'll go and have a look.
Yeah.
And Caroline will do her review of it. We'll just, so if you have any suggestions, please let us know. The channel is interactive, and we do appreciate the comments, etc.
Yep, we definitely do. And if you are at the show, don't be afraid to say hello. Come and say hi. Dave will probably do his usual, completely oblivious to you. So do apologise for that up front. But he will eventually realise that, you know, you've recognised him.
Yes, I know. It did happen at the last show in October.
Twice he's done that, yeah.
I have a couple of times. And
Yeah.
It's
Forever apologising.
yeah, it's. I'm not being rude. I'm just
Oblivious.
Absolutely
Totally oblivious. It's like he's got blinkers on. Yeah.
It is. It is. And yeah, it's not intentional. As some of people who subscribe to the channel have found out that I am really like what I am on the videos.
Yes, and they do find it hilariously funny.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing the show, and hopefully we'll get 2 or 3 videos out of that. We're going to look at the boats. I think this show is mostly you haven't got like Swift there, etc.
No, there's only 5 halls, whereas the later year ones, they tend to do about 11 or 12 halls. So it is dramatically reduced in size. So it will be very limited on what we're going to be able to see.
I think it's more gadgets and stuff. So we'll see anyway.
You like a gadget?
Yeah, I like a gadget. So we'll have a look.
Yeah.
Right. So we have got one other thing booked, haven't we? Which is about May time, is it?
It is, yeah. But let's go and have a coffee and we'll tell you all about it.
So we're just going to the ship pub. Right, we have found a table.
We have.
We've ordered some food.
We have indeed. What have you ordered, Dave?
I've got a Guinness.
I've got a nice hot coffee.
Yes, so.
Still a bit nippy.
It is, isn't it? So, something else we got going on early of this year is...
We are going to Club Fest. So that is in May. And it's a bit like a sort of... what's that festival? Music festival.
Like a Glastonbury type
Like
thing?
a Glastonbury type thing. But it's with campervans, motorhomes, caravans, camping. It's everyone.
And who's running it? Is it Caravan and Motorhome Club?
I think so, yeah. So, but it's Club Fest. That's what it's called. If you Google it, it'll bring it straight up. It's in Northamptonshire. It's at Kelmarsh Hall. It's in their grounds. And there's various prices. Electric hookup, but it is only 6 amp electric hookup. So obviously you can't have your kettle and your telly on at the same time, sadly. However,
but there's entertainment, live music.
there is live music.
Lots of tribute bands.
All 4 days, there's loads of music going on.
Yeah, lots of tribute bands.
Yeah. And there's loads of other stuff going on, kids' activities and all sorts. So, yeah, it is definitely an occasion for all the family.
Oh, yes.
Especially if you happen to be caravanning, camping, anything like that. Let's just hope the weather is not good old-fashioned English weather. But let's hope it's on a heat wave like it was the previous year.
And also, we're going to try and get in quite a few caravan trips. So we'll be going out on other base camp adventures.
We will.
And we'll do some site reviews.
Definitely.
Setups. Hopefully we'll get to use our different awnings as well, because we've got the 2, if you remember from previous videos.
Club Fest we're going to definitely use the Vango because that's 4 days of full activity.
Yeah.
So we definitely want the space there. Obviously for the weekend ones we just use the lightweight one. And so we'll just use the Falcon Air 200.
Yeah, so we've got some plans for the start of this year, and then I think we'll do another update mid-year to what we're going to be doing towards the end of the year, and we are planning another trip abroad as well.
We are. So guys, we're planning on a trip abroad, starting from the bank holiday on the August, on that Monday. Where should we go? I want suggestions, please. And whatever is the most popular suggestion, that's where we're going to go.
Yes. So we'll
Watch
see.
this space.
Watch this space. So right. So thank you very much for watching.
Yeah, thank you. Keep up. Subscribe. It's free.
Absolutely free, and it does help the channel.
And do like and share and tell your friends if you like it. They're looking for information all about caravanning, going abroad, anything like that. Yeah, we're you guys.
And yes, we'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Try a bit.
Try a bit.